Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 7 in How to Build Your Own Website series, brought to you by dwtut.co.cc. First of all, I want to announce that we finally got our website up. Version 2 is up and running. It was up and running yesterday night, so check that out. We're actually working on getting our videos uploaded there, so again, look out for that. And I believe that's all. So now in this tutorial we're going to be inserting those footers and headers, the footer and header PNG images that we built. I think that was part 3 of these in this series. So we're going to actually work with CSS and insert that. Now if you remember last time we added a few CSS rules to our body, and that was included in we included padding where everything's 0 and your margin is 0. The reason why we did this is so that when we insert our header, it goes all the way to the top of the page. So if I double click body again, get back in there, just going to show you guys this. Go to list, you want to check same for all. I'm just going to delete all of this. I'll show you guys what happens. Apply and OK. Now, we're going to insert a div tag for our header. So click on the insert div tag, and the ID will be header at insertion point. OK. So you'll have some text here that says content for ID header goes here. Leave that there for the moment. We're going to, in our CSS style panel, we're going to click on style.css and create a new CSS rule. And we want this compound. If you're on a Windows computer, it would be called advanced, but on a Mac it's compound. And then we want this to modify the header, so pound header, and where you want this rule to be defined, and we want style.css. Again, we're going to go through the CSS rule definition, right? And we want a few things modified here. We want to go to the box category. We want the width 728 pixels because that is the width of our header. Now I don't want to specify height because we want the div to expand and contract depending on what the image content or whatever content we put in there. Alright, now we want to center this. So in margin, uncheck same for all, and again auto, hit OK. Now we're going to insert a image. So insert image, we want our header.png, type in an alternative text. Okay, you can delete that text. Now the reason why we added a no padding and no margin to our, or the reason why I deleted that padding and that margin to our body CSS, if I save this, as you can see there's our custom PC world header, but there's a big nice chunk of white there that we really don't want. We want the header to be pushed up all the way to the top. To do that, again, come back into your body CSS, double click that, come to box category, put the padding to 0 and 0 for the margin. Okay, so it's all same for all. Hit OK. Preview this again. As you can see, pushed all the way to the top. Now let's go. We're going to go ahead and add our footer. Now just click over here and hit enter and return. Whoops, wrong one. Enter and return a few times. All right. Now we're going to insert another div. Okay. At insertion point, and this ID will be footer. Okay. Now we're going to again apply a new CSS rule by clicking on style.css and applying new CSS rule. We want a compound, modify the footer in style.css. Okay. Now we're just going to center this, okay, and add the width of 728 pixels. And again, we're going to uncheck same for all, have our right to auto and our left to auto. Okay. Again, insert image, footer.png, footer, OK. Delete that text. Alright, so let's preview that again, and I'm going to show you something here. We got a problem here, okay? We have our custom P3 world header, the blank spot, footer, and another blank spot. We don't want this footer to go all the way to the bottom. So, to fix that, come into your style.css and double click footer, okay? We want to come down into positioning. We want to hit position and fixed, okay? Then in placement we want right to be at 0, bottom to be at 0, and left to be at 0. Then again, hit OK. I'm just going to delete this white spot. Alright, preview in Firefox, save all, and boom. There you go, your footer is at the bottom of your page, and it should stay there according to whatever you put in this blank area. Alright, so it's always going to be at the bottom of your page. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we're going to be working with a CSS navigation bar, okay? And I think that's it, because building a navigation bar kind of takes a while in CSS, but it's a lot cleaner than HTML. So, check out the next video when it comes out. Comment, rate, subscribe on this video. I'm glad you guys are watching these. And also, I don't know. I think that's it. Alright, so anyways guys, thanks for watching.